Ooh, do I want to film over no. Where is my Jimmy Choo flip-flop? Where is my pink Prada tote? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As we can see, I am not rich, as I did not get AirPods for Christmas. So let's just deal with the ASMR from the old headphones.
Psych, bitch!
I am not doing ASMR. Imagine if that was actually my channel. That is a joke. Guys, I'm crying. I've never actually listened to ASMR properly, and I just listened to my own and it's made me cry. I don't like that at all. That was disgusting and I never want to listen to it ever again. I don't know what's going on with my hair, guys. I like Cindy Lou Who. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is, what just happened to me? I had a malfunction. So this video is very highly requested. I can't even tell you how many DMs and comments I've received of you guys saying, please, can you do a goddamn room tour? It's been about a year and a half now and I still haven't done it, so I'm now bringing it to you guys. I just like to make you wait for content. So for those of you who don't know, I am a university student. I used to live in student accommodation in like flats, I guess. Like where everyone lives together and there's like 9 people on the floor and the kitchen's messy and you just want to die.
That kind of student accommodation.
To be fair though, I really did like it though. It's just I live with some messy people. You know who you are. So now me and my 2 best friends actually have a place together and I'm so happy with where we live. I think we are actually moving out in a year though. I feel like we probably will. But this place for the time being is perfecto and we actually really like it. So I'm going to tidy my room up right now because it is a bit of a mess. I'm not going to lie to you guys. And we're just going to go around each corner of my room and show you what is there and where I got it and why the frick I put it there. Literally, I've had such a catastrophe with my room. It's been changed around like 50 different times and I feel like finally it looks nice. That's why it took me so freaking long for me to show you guys this. I don't really know where to start in here. And then I can go for a flow. Whoa, whoa. So what you've just seen is me moving out my old place, which is so sad. Rest in peace. I miss you. But I don't miss you too much because I actually really like where I live now. So yeah, let's get right into this room tour. So this is literally the most boring part of my room. Probably the most unaesthetically pleasing, but it actually has a lot of stuff in, so love that for me. So this is basically just where I put stuff that I have no place for. I don't have room. However, I actually love everything that is in this section, in this box, even the old penny board that I never use, you know, that sort of stuff. I actually have tried so many times to penny board, it's a bit of a joke, and I still can't do it. I can like stay on it, but I can't go for more than like 10 seconds without falling off, so that's really fun and fresh. So the stuff on the top are like fairly recent things that I got in December that at the moment I don't really have anywhere to put, really. I'm not really looking to have any more storage put in though, but I think as I use everything in here, these can then go in there. This is literally filled with bath bombs, shower gels, shampoos, conditioners, literally like skincare as well. Like there's so much stuff in here that I haven't used yet, but I'm not the kind of person to just throw stuff out. I have to use it if I have it, so that's what this trusty box is for. As you can see up here, I have my friend's palettes. I have stuff from Beauty Bay. Actually, all of this is Beauty Bay products, which is really ironic, but my eyeshadow drawers are actually full because I've just bought so many palettes, so yeah, I don't really have anywhere to put them yet, but I do use them. They just go back right on here. It does look like a bit of a shrine, I'm not gonna lie. That is what I'm getting the vibe from right now. Wow, I look so self-obsessed. I can promise you I don't put this here for people to walk in and be like, oh my god, you've got a Jeffree Star's palette. I promise I don't do that. See, this is the problem. I live with Byron and Byron is very aesthetic queenie. You can't do anything in your room without him being like, that's disgusting, why have you done that? Disgusting! So, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is this part of the room. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. That's gonna really annoy me the whole video that that's undone. I bet that's gonna annoy so many of you as well. Oh, sugar. Who said I'm not an aesthetic queenie? Did you see that? Did you? So yeah, this is the one part of my room. It's right by the door as you walk in, so Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So this is also by the door. I don't know what you're supposed to do in room tours. I feel like people are always like really like fairy lights. Do you know what I mean? These are my coats. That's a book. There's a fake candle, look. I did that in the Christmas videos and I've just done it again. I also have this because I have a record player down here. This is a book that Byron got me for my 18th birthday. My 19th birthday. God, I'm so dumb. So yeah, that's funky and fresh. I love that book very much. I put it on my favourite page. Me, Jazz, Soph and Byron. Yeah. This is my shelf. Why is it so dark, hun? So, I don't really know how to explain this, but as you come into my room, this is like by my bed. I guess it will make sense when you see like the whole overall thing. But this is just like a memory grid that I made. And then I also have my Polaroid wall over here, which is full of memes and stuff with fam and friends. So yeah, that's all fun and fresh. So at Summer in the City, one of you lovely lot who I adore so much gave me these. Anna sent me these in the post in like 2017 or something. And that was obviously from the premiere I went to for Crimes of Grindelwald. Got my Creamfields ticket down here. Yeah, you can see that. LA, Brighton, Daft's Party. And that was actually Soccer 6 in 2016. Oh, so Anna sent me them in 2016, not 17. I'm just really dumb. I basically just put on my wristbands from like anywhere I've been. So like that one I got in LA, so I put it by the LA photo. These two are from Festival and I went to Festival with Anna, so I put them next to our photos together. And I just added these little lights because I'm basic and I wanted to, you know, I wanted to feel nice about myself. So my bed was obviously already tidy. So this is the view from the end of my bed. That's such a weird thing to say. Just got my wash bin over there as per usual. Pillars behind me, and yeah, this is my bed. I don't really know what else to say about it. It's fun and fresh. A lot of funky stuff goes on. No, it doesn't. That's a massive lie, and that sounds really weird. I just meant that I film on this bed. Child friendly. So this is my. Is this a cabinet? Like set of drawers? Cabinet? Side table? We're gonna call it side cabinet drawers. So this is my side cabinet drawers. As you can see, I've got my book. Not my best ideas. That made it sound like I owned a book and I was self-promoting. This is just my workbook. This probably looks really weird, obviously, because it's not my birthday, but this is a birthday card from Byron for my 19th, and I just think it's so funny, so I kept it there. There's also a letter from Byron there from the first time we ever went home when we were at uni, because I was like going through this massive depressive stage, and he, yeah, wrote me a little note, and I thought that was quite cute. Then we just have my Jimmy Choo bag that my brother got me for Christmas. And that's just got all the essentials in, like my pill that I take. And that's all the essentials. Then we have this lovely thing over here. What are these? Don't tell me I bought these. No, I didn't, surely. I'm gonna continue this with these on. So over here we have this lovely masterpiece that my granddad actually made me. So originally it was these two separately, and then he drilled it onto this piece of wood here and added hooks on the back so that I can hang my necklaces on it. I thought that was super cute. I need to take these off there, they're hideous. So the reason he did that was because my other one broke, and he actually found out that my other one broke, so he made me a new one, and I didn't even know until I went home for Christmas, and I thought that was just so freaking sweet. I love my granddad, he's a legend. And my nan, and all of my family, they're all legends. Of course they are. So yeah, this is my little table that's next to my bed. I'm a genius. I have tried to make this background look as nice as possible, but like my laptop's normally on here as well. Where is my laptop? That's a thought for later. I need to hunt down that. Anyway, this is where I normally sit and film. It's not normally this way, it's normally the other way. That's where you can see the bed and everything in the background. There's not really much to say about this desk. Actually, there is. I got this desk from IKEA. This little quad frame thing. Where did I get that from? I'm pretty sure that was Primark, and I'm pretty sure it was like £6 or something. Pretty decent, you know? And yeah, that is my desk where I do uni work and edit, spend most of my life. So I don't really know how to show you this part without saying like there's a mirror there. And that is literally all it is. But to be fair, cool story about this mirror actually. So I wanted a mirror for uni, and I was actually gonna go out and buy one, but they were pretty expensive. White frame mirrors, I don't know why, but they are so freaking expensive, and as a student, I just can't afford that. So I think I came home after being at a festival or something. As assumed from this video my granddad is very good with like building and being a handyman basically. And he built this mirror for me, like fully built the frame, everything is pretty cool. And on the back of it, there's a pipe and you can lift it up and move it so that it can be shown at like different angles. It's literally freaking incredible. I don't know how his mind works, I don't know how he does it, but I'm so thankful that my granddad is so good at this stuff. So yeah, I think it's pretty freaking groovy, and it's right next to the wardrobe, right next to the desk. It's a pretty funky mirror, like I really dig it. It's pretty cool. Anyway, now it's time for the wardrobe. The one that cost me like 60 quid. And I couldn't put together and my granddad had to come to London and do it for me. That wardrobe. So these are the wardrobes that I spent 60 quid on, and I'm just gonna open them up, I guess, and show you what's inside. Very cool coordinated, I must say. So we start from white, then grey, then beige, then brown, then pink, then red, then green, then blue, then black. I love how the majority of my wardrobe is black. So shoes are also at the bottom of that wardrobe. Don't know why you needed that extra information. And then this is just some more. So I just got trousers, crop tops. The rest is history because it's literally junk. So I mean, my uni stuff's in there. So basically junk. Love that for me. And that is my room tour. That's literally it. That's all I've done. Oh wait. That is basically my room tour all done. Why does it sound so echoey right now? I've never noticed that. Is that just this part of this room? Because I sound so echoey. Woo. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this long awaited room tour. Hopefully next time when I move, it won't take this long. If there's anything that you want to know where I got it from in this video, just comment down below and I'll let you know. All of my social media links will be in the description. You can also follow my Instagram over here. This is where I'm most active. That was quite... snap my neck, you know. Also make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to keep up with my channel. You can also turn the bell notification on if you fancy. You don't have to, but it looks cute when you do. Bye guys.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.